The Magpul Daka Essential Wallet. What does it do? How does it do it? And is it any good? All this and more coming right up. Welcome to GruncleWorx, the channel that checks out everyday gear for the everyday guy. Today we are taking a look at the Magpul Daka Essential Wallet in flat dark earth. This is a minimalist wallet that is made from a reinforced polymer fabric. It's designed to comfortably hold a combination of 3 to 7 credit and ID cards, as well as a couple of emergency folded bills. This particular version is in flat dark earth and has a contrasting interior lining. The outer skin of the wallet has a nice tactile finish that allows for a good grip without being too sticky to get stuck in your pocket or attract too much pocket lint. As the wallet relies upon RF welding technology, no material is added to complete the construction. As you can quite clearly see here, this helps to create one of its most impressive characteristics, and that's a very slender profile all around. As I stated earlier, the outer skin of the wallet has a very nice tactile finish, while the contrasting inner lining allows for a nice smooth transition of cards in and out of the wallet with easy acuity. On the main side of the wallet, there is a singular card slot that is perfect for a driver's license, ID, or medical insurance card. On the rear, there are 2 more card slots that are designed for your favorite credit or debit cards. Each slot can take a couple of cards, although I've found that the rear pocket is best suited to multiple cards and the front pocket for the card you use most frequently. The entire wallet is made from a reinforced polymer fabric with an anti-slip outer texture. The outer seams are RF welded to make them extremely durable, chemical resistant, and non-hygroscopic. The front has a single larger card slot perfect for ID cards and a few emergency bills. The rear side has 2 card slots that are perfect for credit or debit cards, or perhaps a medical insurance card. The edges of the wallet are rounded to help reduce the chances of it snagging on anything when putting it in or out of your pocket or bag. Overall, it can carry 3 to 7 cards comfortably, depending on their thickness, and does so securely with no fears of them simply dropping out. Let's see what it looks like when loaded with a combination of cards and dollar bills. We will start off by putting 2 cards in the front slot to mimic driver's license and medical insurance card. Next, we will flip it around and fill the rear 2 slots with the remaining 3 cards. As you can see, the profile of the wallet is extremely thin even when using 5 cards. The cards lie flat and the wallet doesn't distort or bulge, perfect for an everyday carry rotation. Now let's see what happens when we put 3 folded $1 bills in the front pocket card slot. Once again, the wallet swallows the bills well and still presents a very slim profile. While I didn't necessarily do a great job of folding the bills really tightly, you can see how having a few bills in the wallet starts to make it bulge a little in the middle and slightly bends the cards already in there. Weight is always a big consideration for everyday carry, so let's take a look. When filled, it weighs in at 1.5 ounces. Let's try that again for consistency, and this time turn it around. Once again, a featherweight 1.5 ounces. Now let's compare that to the wallet empty. 0.7 ounces. Again, let's turn it around and do it again for consistency. 0.7 ounces again. Overall, this is a fantastic minimalist wallet that is perfect as part of an everyday carry rotation. Its low profile and lightweight mean it's perfect to throw into your shorts pocket when on vacation or when you don't want to be out and about with all your personal items. It covers all bases with 3 or 4 of your major cards along with your ID and a couple of emergency bills. And if you don't need the bills, just take them out and roll with just your cards for an even slimmer profile. I've been using this as my daily driver since I got it, and it's been a great addition. If you liked this video or found it useful, please leave us some thumbs and consider subscribing as we continue to explore everyday gear for the everyday guy.